say, Mrs. Jackie Moore, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, I'm over here with Mrs. Moore, and we did some service for her. I let her speak for herself.
I love what she did for me. The color of my gutter fits in perfectly. It's not bright and shiny. It just fits in, and it did exactly what I wanted. I wanted to get the water away from my house. And
You were having that problem in there, right?
Yes.
You were having the problem of the water here, and we made a little line, okay? So it's exactly what you expected, or would you say a little bit more than that?
No, it's exactly, it's what I wanted, and you did exactly, who was the man that worked?
Mr. Martin.
Mr. Martin did a wonderful job. He had good suggestions, and he listened to what I said I wanted and told me what I needed to do. And
great.
he did it very unobtrusive.
Would you recommend me?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. What about the trees? The tree work was done
Yes,
great?
yes, the trees were great. I liked a lot of shade, but I knew I had to get rid of some of it.
Yeah, I remember it was branches all over here.
Right.
So it was good. Well, thank you for the opportunity, Mrs. Moore, okay?
Oh, thank you. It was very good.
All right, bye-bye.